Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting analysis of the USDJPY through a comprehensive price action perspective. We are going to be exploring the recent movement and chart patterns on this market structure, while we also try to uncover key insights that can potentially shape our trading decision ahead of the incoming week. Last week's trading session was quite interesting as we had moments where we bought and we also sold at some point. So I would like to share with you some of the key moments we had as we saw at the beginning of the week, where price action was ranging just around our key level situated at the 139.650. The range continued for a while before we saw a significant traction in price movement. I think that happened on the 13th of June, where we finally saw the breakout of the 139.650. Then we had a 55 pips move here. I told us all to secure our positions. Price action went into a range again, which lasted for about 24 hours, I think, before we saw an opportunity to sell where price action broke down our trend line. So it was quite a roller coaster of buys and sells. So if you do want to have a review of how we took advantage of the opportunities last week for educational purposes, I will be dropping the link into this commentary in the description box of this current video. And if you are watching this from our YouTube channel, you will be seeing the link at the top right hand side of your screen right now. So, with that being said, here, let's dive right into the business for today. And in fact, what we are going to be doing here is to take a look at the 4 hours time frame. And if you look at what we have here on the USDJPY 4 hours time frame, it is quite obvious that price action has been bullish since the beginning of the month of May. And to emphasize the strength of the buyers in this market, we have a couple of trend lines here, which, as you can see, after we connected the series of higher lows in this market. Now, zooming into the current structure, that is since the beginning of the month of June, I was able to identify a couple of levels which we are going to be using to guide our trading activity for the week. Well, the most important level here is my key level situated at the 142.00 level. This is the highest point price action has been in quite a while now. And as you can see, we saw some attempt by the sellers to reject the bullish attempt at that point. So I'm going to be using this level as my yardstick for trading activity this week. And what this simply means is that if price action continues to find selling pressure below the structure, we might likely see an opportunity to sell at the USDJPY, where price could either come into any of the trend lines or the 140.750 area in anticipation of another wave of bullish momentum. And if it so happens that the trend line are broken to the downside, then we will have no other choice than to look out for selling opportunities below that level. However, if this bullish momentum continues in such a way that it breaks out of the 142.00 level, then at this point I will be considering buying the USDJPY. And if further confirmations happens like a retest of structure, this will definitely welcome more opportunities to add more position to our existing trade. So this is how I'm going to be looking at the USDJPY for this week. And before I close on this video, I would like to let you know how important it is for us to also keep tabs with the economic calendar to see what's high impact event that could affect price movement for the week. And you know how important the economic calendar is for us here in this community. This fundamental factors often manifest on the chart in technical patterns and price movement. And by monitoring the economic calendar, we can identify potential correlations between key economic releases and specific technical patterns. And for the new week here, the first high impact event is coming in on the 28th of June. That's on Tuesday. And that is coming from the Monetary Bank of Japan's monetary policy meeting minutes, which will be read on that day. Then on Wednesday, June 21st, we are going to be witnessing the Fed Chairman's Powell's testification before the Congress, providing a broad overview of the economy and monetary policy. And this will also continue into Thursday, June 22nd. And I think that is all for the week. So, these are high impact event that we are going to be looking forward to. And of course, we are going to be taking it into consideration while we try to monitor how participants in the market will be reacting to this current structure during the early hours of the new week. And trust me, I will be with you in the comment section of all my public platforms to give you updates as at when due. If you found the content helpful for your trading decisions and enjoyed it, please show some love by giving it a thumbs up and liking the video. It's a very valuable thing for me to for you to do, as it helps the video reach more traders who could also find this material beneficial for them. If you haven't already, consider following me by subscribing, and subscribing ensures that you never miss out on the latest ideas I share, as you will receive notifications whenever I upload new videos and commentaries. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you right in the comment section on Monday morning as we get prepared for the new week. Do have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye bye.